Imagine a machine that can peel back the fabric of time itself. A telescope so powerful, it doesn't just answer our questions about the cosmos, it shatters them. This is the story of the James Webb Space Telescope, a window into the universe that has revealed discoveries so shocking, they threaten to rewrite everything we thought we knew. Pause, soft ambient tone. It begins with a faint signal. A tiny spark of light, buried in the darkness. See Webb's instruments scanning the Alpha Centauri system. At first, scientists thought it was just noise, a glitch in the data. But when they looked closer, the signal remained. It wasn't just random static. It looked like a planet. And not just any planet, but one in a place where, according to every law of physics and astronomy, a planet should never exist. Music rises, tension builds. But then, the story took a stranger turn. When Webb looked again, months later, the planet was gone, vanished. One astronomer called it the case of a disappearing planet. Had it been a mistake all along? Or was this something else? Something playing a cosmic game of hide and seek? Supercomputer simulations gave one astonishing answer. Perhaps the planet wasn't gone at all. Perhaps its orbit had carried it directly behind Webb's coronagraph, perfectly hidden, invisible to our eyes. If that's true, then just 4 light years away, we may have discovered a world that shouldn't exist. A world that defies our very theories of how planets are born. Shift in visuals, zooming out into deep space. While one eye of Webb studied our galactic backyard, the other peered across the vast abyss of time to the dawn of the universe itself. And what it saw there was even more impossible. For decades, we believed the universe had a simple story. Galaxies start small, they grow slowly. Billions of years later, they merge into giants like the Milky Way. That was the model. That was the story. But Webb saw something else. Music swells, dramatic reveal. Just 500 million years after the Big Bang, Webb detected massive galaxies. Not young and chaotic, as theory predicted, but old, red, and mature. It was like finding a fully grown adult sitting in a nursery. And then came the most impossible one of all. A galaxy known as JWST, ISU 131, only 330 million years after the Big Bang. The universe should have been cloaked in a thick fog of hydrogen gas, blocking the light from newborn stars. But somehow, this galaxy pierced the fog. Its light reached us clear and bright. The only explanation? It had already carved out a massive transparent bubble around itself, hundreds of thousands of light years across. Pause, voice drops lower. For one galaxy to do that so early in cosmic history was thought to be impossible. Visual. Simulation of stars exploding and black holes forming. So what powered it? Some scientists believe it held the universe's very first generation of stars. Population 3 stars, giants hotter and brighter than any that exist today. Others think it was an early supermassive black hole, releasing unimaginable energy. Either way, Webb had revealed something that didn't just bend our theories, it broke them. Music softens, reflective tone. So now we stand at the edge of 2 mysteries. A ghost planet in our backyard, and ancient galaxies that grew up far too fast. One challenges the mechanics of how planets are born. The other challenges the very timeline of the universe. Together, they whisper the same truth. The cosmos is far stranger and far more creative than we ever imagined. Closing, music swells, camera drifts across stars. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just showing us the universe, it's showing us the limits of our own understanding. It's reminding us that the story of the cosmos is still being written, and maybe, just maybe, we are standing on the edge of a new chapter in human history. Outro, pause, soft fade. So tell me, what do you think? Is this the beginning of a new revolution in science? Or are we staring at mysteries so deep, the answers may always remain just out of reach? Please like and share and subscribe.